Hello there, you are watching the GetProspect tutorial. The topic of this video is bulk domain search. This feature allows you to perform a search within our database for contacts associated with certain company domains only. First, we need to go to our search section. On the left side, among other filters, you can see the domain filter. You can either input domain names manually up to 500 domains per search, for example, getprospect.com. Or you can import a file with a list of domains containing up to 50,000 domains at a time. You just need to press the Import from File button and upload the file with domains. Once the file is uploaded, you will only need to match the header containing the domain name with our filter. After inputting the domains, you can preview the contacts from these companies. Press the Save button to save particular contact. You can also save contacts in bulk by pressing the Save All Leads button and choosing the maximum amount of leads in total and the maximum number of leads per company presented in the search. You can also choose a list and save your current set of filters for later. Press the Recent Activity tab to check your progress and the number of saved contacts. You may find your added contacts in the list that you have chosen. Leads Finder tool GetProspect is the best tool for multitasking B2B sales, recruiting, and marketing managers. Get started now by signing up on getprospect.com. Thanks for watching.